Stop what you are doing right now. I mean it. Pause the editing, close the browser, and listen. This is not a drill. The AI war between Google and OpenAI, it's over. And I have to be honest, I did not think I'd be saying this. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, just admitted that Google is winning. He sent an internal memo to his staff saying that Google's new Gemini 3 model is creating temporary economic headwinds for their company. Translation: they're hurting. They're scared. Google just landed a death blow, and I'm going to show you exactly how and why. Look, if you're like me, you are tired of switching apps. You're tired of the frustration when the tool you paid for suddenly seems dumber than it was last week. You fear being left behind. Well, this memo confirms your fears, but it also gives us a clear path forward. Today, we are diving deep into the memo that shook the tech world. I'm going to show you one incredible thing Gemini 3 can do that ChatGPT still cannot, and then I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do right now as a creator to stay ahead of this massive shift. You cannot miss this. First, let's look at the receipts. This is the news that confirms all the leaked internal worries. This is huge because Sam Altman never concedes ground. What made him crack? Gemini 3 is outperforming ChatGPT in 3 critical areas that matter to us creators: coding, multimodal understanding, and design automation. OpenAI used to dominate those fields, but the world moved on. Google integrated Gemini 3 directly into search, YouTube, and its entire ecosystem from day one. It's not a separate app, it's everywhere. Think of it this way: ChatGPT was like getting the world's first smartphone revolutionary. But now, Gemini 3 is like that phone coming preloaded with every single app you need, already connected to your Wi-Fi, already connected to your car. It's an integrated system, not a separate tool. This isn't about loyalty. This is about efficiency and power. The analysts confirm that developers are switching because Google's AI is faster and more efficient, making their own products better. If you use Google products to build your brand, you have to pay attention. Talk is cheap. Let me show you the death blow feature that convinced Mark Benioff, the CEO of Salesforce, to switch permanently. This is the feature that will save you hours of production time every single week. We're going to use the YouTube multimodal search integration. This is a creator's dream. I'm going to ask Gemini 3 to analyze a YouTube link of one of my competitors' videos. Let's use this highly viral video here and immediately generate a better, more viral title and thumbnail idea based on the video's content. This is the power you are missing out on. You don't have to guess what works. Gemini 3 is leveraging Google's entire search and video history to give you a personalized competitive advantage. When I tried that exact same prompt with ChatGPT's free tier, it struggled or just gave me generic results. This isn't just better, it means Google is giving creators a built-in, top-tier AI assistant right where they live in their workspace. This is the death blow feature, saving you hours of research and video packaging. Now, let's bring this home. Why should you care that Sam Altman is having a bad week? This is about the survival of your content. First, search is changing. Google has made Gemini 3 the default search engine brain. If your content isn't optimized for its new AI overviews, you disappear. You must start integrating more natural, conversational keywords. Second, the new king of free. For the average user, Gemini 3 is now the most powerful free tool available, integrated across all the apps you already use. It has become the standard. If you're not using it, your competitors are. The money and innovation are moving to Google's ecosystem. You need to follow the heat. This is the moment to retool your strategy. The biggest barrier right now is fear, but I'm here to tell you the opportunity is massive. Listen to me carefully. The success of your channel depends on you being among the first to master the new tools. The first ones who master Gemini 3 will build the biggest audiences in 2026. I need you to tell me in the comments, do you believe Sam Altman? Has Google truly won the AI war, or is this just a temporary setback? Let me know. If you were shocked by this news and you're ready to master the Gemini 3 era, hit the like button and subscribe to Kimberly Quinn AI. I am dedicated to keeping you ahead of the curve so you can turn the latest AI sand into gold. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!